ManyCart for WooCommerce is a plugin that adds cart icon to your store site. Your customer can shop smoothly with a site cart feature. A customer will get reward after purchasing a certain amount. Reward programs help attract customer and maintain brand loyalty. It helps maintain market share and drive sales and revenue. There are two types of reward available to the customer: discount for the certain cart amount and the free shipping after reaching certain cart amount. Choose the drop down to give the customer a percentage discount or a fixed amount discount. The settings, the discount value, targeted cart amount, input the targeted cart amount, the amount will be enable the customer to get a discount. And here the code, use code discount amount for remaining value, customer get the message. Tab for the WooCommerce shipping, go to the WooCommerce dashboard, WooCommerce setting and select shipping tab. Now go to the add shipping zone. Here method has a setting to configure. If you click the edit button and free shipping, it asks then when to activate the free shipping for customer. One method is set minimum order amount, where shopper can access free shipping when they reach a certain in dollar amount in their cart.